grateful for all the blessings in my life. Thank you for the abundance that surrounds me. I appreciate the love and support I receive. I am thankful for the opportunities that come my way. I am grateful for the small moments of joy each day. I recognize and appreciate the kindness others show me. My heart is filled with gratitude for the experiences I have. I am thankful for the lessons life teaches me. I appreciate the beauty in every moment. I am grateful for the people who inspire and uplift me. Thank you for the strength to overcome my challenges. I am thankful for the health and vitality I enjoy. I appreciate the peace and serenity in my life. I am grateful for the creative energy flowing through me. Thank you for the wisdom gained from my journey. I am thankful for the opportunities to learn and grow. I appreciate the love and warmth of my relationships. I am grateful for the comfort and safety of my home. Thank you for the joy that laughter brings into my life. I am thankful for the moments of stillness and reflection. I appreciate the guidance and support from the universe. I am grateful for the ability to express my true self. Thank you for the strength and resilience within me. I am thankful for the beauty of nature and its calming presence. I appreciate the kindness I receive from strangers. I am grateful for the opportunities to make a positive impact. Thank you for the dreams and aspirations that drive me. I am thankful for the comfort of a good night's sleep. I appreciate the joy that comes from simple pleasures. I am grateful for the courage to face my fears. Thank you for the love and understanding I receive. I am thankful for the freedom to create and explore. I appreciate the stability and security in my life. I am grateful for the abundance of resources available to me. Thank you for the moments of clarity and insight. I am thankful for the support of my friends and family. I appreciate the growth that comes from challenges. I am grateful for the beauty in everyday experiences. Thank you for the creativity that flows through me. I am thankful for the ability to forgive and let go. I appreciate the comfort of meaningful traditions. I am grateful for the opportunities to connect with others. Thank you for the abundance of love in my life. I am thankful for the lessons learned from the past experiences. I appreciate the peace that comes from gratitude. I am grateful for the gift of each new day. Thank you for the positive changes in my life. I am thankful for the moments of joy and celebration. I appreciate the strength of my spirit and mind. I am grateful for the support and encouragement I receive. Thank you for the sense of purpose and direction in my life. I am thankful for opportunities to express my creativity. I appreciate the beauty of the world around me. I am grateful for the simple joys that make life meaningful. Thank you for the love and compassion I have. I am thankful for the growth and progress I make each day. I appreciate the freedom to pursue my passions. I am grateful for the lessons learned from challenges. Thank you for the moments of peace and tranquility. I am thankful for the abundance of opportunities available to me. I appreciate the support and guidance I receive from others. I am grateful for the ability to find joy in the present moment. Thank you for the courage to pursue my dreams. I am thankful for the beauty and serenity of nature. I appreciate the love and care of my family and friends. I am grateful for the positive impact I can make in the world. Thank you for the moments of inspiration and creativity. I am thankful for the strength to overcome obstacles. I appreciate the small acts of kindness that brighten my day. I am grateful for the opportunities to learn and grow. Thank you for the comfort and safety of my surroundings. I am thankful for the joy and happiness in my life. I appreciate the support and encouragement I receive from loved ones. I am grateful for the moments of connection and understanding. Thank you for the abundance of resources and opportunities. I am thankful for the love and warmth that surrounds me. I appreciate the beauty in every moment and experience. I am grateful for the strength and resilience within me. Thank you for the joy and fulfillment that life brings. I am thankful for the freedom to be myself. I appreciate the support and kindness from others. I am grateful for the positive experiences and relationships in my life. Thank you for the moments of clarity and insight. I am thankful for the opportunities to make a difference. I appreciate the simple pleasures that bring me happiness. I am grateful for the comfort and security of my home. Thank you for the love and support from my community. I am thankful for the beauty and wonder of the world around me. I appreciate the strength and courage to face challenges. I am grateful for the moments of joy and celebration in my life. Thank you for the growth and learning that comes from experience. I am thankful for the positive energy and inspiration I receive. I appreciate the love and connection with those around me. I am grateful for the opportunities to create and express myself. Thank you for the moments of peace and relaxation. I am thankful for the support and encouragement from my peers. I appreciate the beauty and tranquility of nature. I am grateful for the strength and resilience that guides me. Thank you for the abundance of love and support in my life. I am thankful for the opportunities to enjoy and appreciate life. I appreciate the gratitude and joy that fill my heart.